Where is it, huh? Oh no, I'm gonna miss the meeting. The light! I left the living room. Light on!
Let me guess, you forgot to close the lamp again? Let me introduce the three-phase Wi-Fi distribution box using Telegram. We try to switch on the lamp, and then we try to switch off the lamp using Telegram.
After this, I have no issue to switch off the lamp again.
Electricity is the lifeblood of modern living. But how often have we faced this scenario? You leave your house for a vacation or work, only to realize halfway through your journey, did I turn off the water heater? Did I leave the air conditioner running?
This simple act of forgetfulness leads to two major problems: excessive energy wastage and potential fire hazards. In industrial setting, failing to turn off heavy machinery can be catastrophic.
Hi, greetings. I, Muhammad Aiman bin Fauzi.
I'm Muhammad Akib bin Abdul Rahman.
And I am Muhammad Amin Hakimi Bezeli.
We are students of Diploma Electrical Technology program at Batu Lancang Vocational College. Today, we are proud to present our solution to redefine electrical management, the three-phase Wi-Fi distribution box using Telegram.
This is not just a standard distribution board. It is a fully integrated Wi-Fi distribution board designed for both domestic and semi-industrial applications. Our objective was simple: to create a control system that allows users to monitor and control their electrical loads remotely from anywhere in the world. By leveraging the Internet of Things or IoT, we utilize the Telegram application as our primary interface. Why Telegram? Because it is secure, fast, and requires no additional app installation for the user. But we didn't stop at software. The hardware is built to be robust.
Let's dive into the technical architecture. At the heart of this system is the ESP3238-pin microcontroller. We choose it for its dual-core processing power and built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities, ensuring stable connectivity.
Safety and load distribution are paramount in a three-phase system. We have configured a comprehensive protection array consisting of 7 miniature circuit breaker (MCB), specifically assigned for different loads. First, we have 3 6 ampere MCB dedicated to controlling 3 separate lighting circuits. Next, a 20 ampere MCB controlling the standard 30 ampere socket outlets, another 20 ampere MCB for heavy duty 50 ampere socket suitable for air conditioner or heaters.
We also included a 20 amp MCB specifically for a direct online DOS starter motor control. And finally, a 3-pole MCB to manage the three-phase industrial socket.
To interface the low voltage ESP32 with this high voltage loads, we utilize a multi-stage switching system. The ESP32 triggers saver release module, which then activate the three 230 volt AC relay for lighting circuit, three 230 volt AC contactors for one 13 amp, one 50 amp switch socket outlet, and the circuit, one triple contactor for three-phase industrial load. This isolation ensures the microcontroller is never exposed to high voltage spikes.
Now, let's see it in action. As you can see on the Telegram interface, I need to type a command. I type 1 on, 2 on, and 3 on. Within milliseconds, the system responds and I receive a feedback message confirming the status.
For domestic and industrial users, I can remotely engage the 13 amp, 50 amp switch socket outlet, DOS starter, and 16 amp industrial socket. This is crucial for factory managers who need to shut down machinery remotely during emergencies. I type 4 on, 5 on, 6 on, and 7 on.
But what happens if the internet goes down? This is a common flaw in most smart homes. We solve this with our hybrid redundancy system. We have installed 7 physical toggle switches directly on the panel. This provides manual override control for every single MCB circuit. Even without Wi-Fi, the user retains full control over their electricity. This hybrid approach guarantees 100% reliability. The impact of this innovation is significant by allowing users to cut off power remotely. We directly contribute to energy conservation, lowering carbon footprints. In terms of commercialization, this product bridges the gap between expensive smart home hubs and traditional wirings. It is scalable. While our prototype uses 7 circuits, the XP32 allows for expansion. This makes it perfect for residential homes, vocational training centers, and small to medium industrial workshops. In conclusion, our smart 3-phase Wi-Fi distribution board is not just a gadget. It is a necessity for modern safety and energy management. It combines the power of industrial IoT with the simplicity of messaging app.
It's safe, it's reliable, and it put control back in your hands. Thank you for watching.